Ya, Bu.
Ya, second paragraph, Miss.
Mm-mm.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. First, parents should save up money for education. Saving can start when children are in elementary school.
Wait, wait.
Parent can make
Bu,
short.
Bu, dari sini, Bu.
Ya, ya, Miss. Oke, oke, oke. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Children's education is very important for parents. Good planning helps children grow well in school and in life. Parents need to think about money, interests, and skills from from an early age.
Next.
Ya, Miss.
Ya, lanjut, lanjut.
First, First, parents should save up money for education. Saving can start when children are in elementary school. Parents can make short-term savings for books, uniform, and school activities.
Mm-mm.
At the same time, they should also plan long-term saving for higher education.
Mm-mm.
Long-term saving help prepare for college or university fees in the future. Saving early can reduce
Mm-mm.
stress later.
All right. Thank
Lagi, Mit?
you. No, that's enough. Good job. Yeah, I love that. Bu Wiwi, your pronunciation getting better and your independence, yeah, your self-esteem uh, so much better. Kepercayaan
Thank
dirinya sangat baik sekali, sangat grow sekali, ya. Bu Wiwi, how do you feel when you realize that your English getting better now?
I don't know, Miss.
Oke, apa
Ya,
perasaannya when your English better? How do you feel?
cause I feel I'm happy if I am must to be speak English
Mm-mm.
every day. I like listening conversation in TikTok, in FB.
Masya Allah. So, you do what I suggest to. Miss, lakukan apa yang saya sarankan ya.
Yes, yes.
Iya, Masya Allah. That's why everyone ya, that's the fruit of listening will help you speaking. Jadi listening itu bantu kita untuk speaking. Itu dia ya. Keep going ya, keep going, Bu Wiwi. That's really
Yes.
nice. Sekarang kalau dibandingkan yang kemarin-kemarin pertemuan pertama, pertemuan yang awal-awal, Bu Wiwi make a little error only. Ya, hanya sedikit sekali. Kayak ting itu pronunciation-nya sebenarnya sudah oke, tapi kurang kalau mau belajar itu bisa disempurnakan lagi gitu. Jadi ini bukan ting, tapi ting. Ting. Kelihatan nggak, Bu? Ting. Gitu
Ya, Miss.
ya.
Think.
Nah, kalau yang ini tadi, yang an early age itu belum disambung saja. An early age, an early age.
An early age.
Ya, yuk ulangi dari skill.
An early
Skills from an early age.
and skills from an early age.
Ya, itu dia. Jadi lebih enak bacanya. Sama kayak ini, Bu. First. First.
First. First.
Yes. Ya. Terus yang bawah ini. Nih, Bu. Bacanya apa tadi?
Higer.
Belum. Oh ya, no higer. G-nya hilangin, Bu. G-nya hilangin. Bacanya higher gitu.
Higher.
Iya, itu kalau yang ini lebih tinggi, higher education. Kalau yang ini, Bu, college. College.
College.
College.
College.
Iya. Ini E-nya jadi I. Reduce.
Mana, Miss? Reduce.
Oke, itu doang, Bu. Is there any word that you don't know the meaning, Bu?
No.
All clear?
No understand the meaning.
Bu, putus-putus, Bu.
Uh, I like English. I
Mm-mm.
like English, but more vocabulary I don't understand. But I like it.
It's okay, it's okay. If you don't know what's the meaning from a sentence, you can ask directly. For example, ya, parents need to think about money, interest, and skill from an early age. Kira-kira maknanya apa?
Orang tua
Mm-mm.
membutuhkan
Oke.
sesuatu kira-kira tentang uang,
Uh-uh. Oke.
terus
Ini need to think itu bukan membutuhkan, tapi kalau need ketemu dengan to itu sama kayak have
oh
ketemu
iya Miss.
dengan to. Need ketemu dengan to maknanya bukan membutuhkan, tapi harus, ya. Orang tua harus memikirkan masalah. Jadi about itu bukan cuman kira-kira,
Oh
ya.
iya
Bisa
Miss.
jadi masalah keuangan, keinginan anak, dan juga kemampuan sejak dini. An early age itu sejak dini. Gitu maknanya, ya.
Iya.
Terus yang agak ini, parents can make short-term savings books for savings. Itu berarti apa?
Nabung.
Betul. Orang tua
What?
dapat membuat tabungan rencana tabungan jangka pendek. Jadi
Pendek.
short term itu jangka pendek seperti itu. Jadi kalau untuk savings, ya, we need to have short term and also long term. Alright then. Kalau fees apa, Bu Wiwi?
Ya Miss?
Ini fees.
I don't know Miss.
Oke, it's iuran atau bayaran. Bu Wiwi catat apa kata-kata yang Bu Wiwi nggak paham, nanti boleh ditanyakan di akhir, boleh ya?
Ya Miss, siap Miss.
Alright, I will go to the next participant. I wanna siapa yang? Oke, Bu Sylvia, Miss Sylvia, good evening.
Good evening, Miss.
All right, Miss Sylvia, we have interesting discussion topic today. I wanna ask you, what's your opinion relating to children's education, planning children's education? Is it important things or no?
Planning children education. Yes, yes, it is.
Because
Uh, because when we have planning for our children
Mm-mm.
about education, it's it will be apa itu namanya, Miss? Bekal apa itu, Miss?
It
Uh,
can help, ya. It can help him
for
or her in the future.
yes, for their futures.
Okay. How about your children? Do you allocate any savings or planning for your children's education?
Saving?
Ya, saving is tabungan.
Ah, yes.
Do you have planning?
Yes, Miss.
Okay, until junior high school, senior, or until university, Miss, nowadays?
Yes, maybe until for university.
Is it in saving only in what we call in a bank account or any other investment tools or instrument?
Uh, Bank and then except that apa namanya itu tabungan gold itu Miss apa namanya itu
Berjangka?
invest
No?
itu di Pegadaian apa namanya itu Miss
Oh, uh, electric gold ya, e-gold.
oh ya gold. Ah,
Okay, you save gold but not in a physic one.
no.
Okay, that's good. Yeah. All right then. Thank you, Miss Sylvia. And we are going to go down.
Mm-mm.
Wait, I wanna ask Miss Leah to read the next text. Nih, until this, Miss Leah.
Okay, Miss. Next, parents need to look into their children's interests and abilities. Every child is different. Some children enjoy science, while others like art, sports, or language. Parents should watch their children's activities and listen to what they enjoy. This helps parents understand their children's strengths and learning styles. Parents also need to support their children by giving learning opportunities. They can sign children up for courses, clubs, or skill classes. These activities help children build skills step by step. Skills such as communication, problem solving, and creativity are very useful for the future.
Good job. Wow, that's really nice, Bu Lia. All right. I have no any complaint about your pronunciation. It's really nice, but the point that maybe you forgot to edit es in this word. So it's not only course, but it will be courses.
Oh iya.
Iya, itu kayaknya terlupakan saja. Maybe you can low your speed. It help
Oke, Miss.
you read more carefully. Yeah. And about
Oke,
this
Miss.
one, maybe some of you strengths. It's become if it is adjective, it's come with strong.
Oh,
Yeah. If it is as a noun, it will be strength. So what is it? Strength.
I don't know, Miss.
Dari kata strong, Bu. Kalau sebagai
Kuat.
adjektif, iya. Kalau sebagai noun dia apa? Noun.
Kekuatan.
Kekuatan.
Kekuatan. Yes. So, the word strength is from the word strong. Ya. Alright. Okay, because we don't discuss about any pronunciation, Bu Lia pronounce very well. We are going to discuss. How about
Thank
you,
you,
Bu Lia?
Miss.
What is the way or method that you use to check or to know what your children's strength or their interests, their skill, so you can make them in specific term. In specific term. the way you to know about your children.
Ini jadi apa
I ask you.
tentang anak saya, Miss?
Iya. Bu Lia, do you have any children?
Yes, one.
Yeah.
Uh,
Yeah, I ask you, is there any way or method that you use to check about your children's strength, ya, your children's strength or interest?
Miss, maaf, saya tidak mengerti artinya.
I know that you know, but you not get what I mean, ya. Maybe
Yeah.
like this, Miss. Wait. Is there any method or ways to know your children strength or skill nowadays? It's like mapping, Miss. Pemetaan itu loh, Miss. Pemetaan kemampuan anak. Have you ever do that or not? Ini bukan
Yes.
method. Nah,
Okay.
so you can tell us.
Gimana caranya ngomongnya, Miss?
Campur nggak apa-apa. Combine in Indonesia. Jawab dulu pertanyaannya. Kan pertanyaannya, is there any method? Is it there is or no there is not?
Jadi apakah ada metode untuk
Mm-mm.
mengetahui kemampuan
Betul.
anak saya?
Mm-mm. Jawab dulu, yes or no?
Yes.
Kalau yes, gimana jawabnya? Yes.
Yes.
There?
Yes, there is.
Iya, that's what I want. Kalau pertanyaannya is there, berarti jawabannya yes.
Yes, there is.
There is. Nah, baru dijelasin jawabannya. I use. Nah, Bu Lia pakai apa cara ngeceknya? Zaman sekarang kan udah banyak. How do you know about your children? Maybe I use conversation or maybe chit-chat with your children before sleep. Or you never check it, you just let them follow their intuisi.
Kalau saya biasanya ngobrol, iya, ngajak dia. Kami ada waktu belajar, ada waktu berolahraga juga ada. Jadi biasanya saya ngeceknya.
So, what is your children's strength now? For
Dia lagi
example,
suka
ya.
menggambar, Miss.
Nah, that's what I want. So, what are you doing about that ability?
Jadi saya ngasih dia cat warna yang banyak, jadi dia bebas gambar
yes.
apa saja.
Say in English. I memberikan apa in English?
Give.
Give.
Ayo, ini kalau nggak dipaksa nggak bisa-bisa nanti. Ya.
I give.
I give. Subjeknya, objeknya siapa?
I give my son.
Next. I give my son.
Cat air. Apa ya, Miss?
Color pen. Jangan terlalu diterjemahkan, nggak apa-apa. Yang penting itu relate gitu, maknanya sama. Color pen. To, untuk mendukung. To.
Saya tidak apa mendukung.
Support. His drawing
skills.
skill. Ya, repeat again. Mulai dari yes, there is.
Yes, there is. I give my son color pen to support his drawing skill.
Okay, and now repeat again. Is there any method or ways to know about your children's skill and what are you doing to support your children's skill?
Yes, there is.
Mm-mm,
I give my son color pen
mm-mm.
to support draw- drawing skills.
His drawing skill.
His drawing skill.
Good job. Thank you for trying, Bu Lia.
Thank you,
Very
Miss.
good. All right then, let's go down. Oh, let's the last paragraph ya. The last paragraph I need Bu siapa tadi yang datang? Bu Eni. Bu Eni please. The last paragraph Bu Eni.
Oke, oke. Baca ya, Miss ya?
Ya.
Okay. In the long journey of education, parents should help children move forward with both academic dangers and practice, practical skill and gender in important, but skill help children face real life challenge
Mm-mm.
with good planning. Children can grow in confident, learning, and skill adult.
Alright. Let's take a look ya Bu. If you find the word like this, you need to reduce O. Jadi bacanya itu should.
Should.
Iya. Jadi kalau Bu Eni ketemu sama tulisan ini, maka bacanya
Langsung.
would.
Would.
Iya, betul sekali ya. Yo, repeat again this sentence, Bu.
Parents should help children move forward.
Yes. Di
with-
bawahnya, repeat again this one nih, Bu.
Yang tadi,
Mm-mm.
oh yang
Academic
academic dangers.
degrees.
Dangerous.
Degrees.
Oh, degrees.
Iya. Repeat
Academic
again.
degrees.
Iya. Yang ini
Academic degrees.
gabungin sama yang ini, Bu. Practical skills.
And practical skills.
Oke, ulangi dari depan sini.
Academic, oke. Academics lupa tadi apa?
Degrees.
Degrees. Oke, academic degrees and practical skill.
Very good. Ya, sekali lagi. Ini, Bu.
Oke, yang and decrease is
A degree is important.
decrease is important.
Alright. Bawahnya real
Nah,
life challenges.
real life challenges.
Iya,
Real
jadi
life challenges.
iya, betul sekali. Paling bawah, kalau ada ed-nya, kalau dia tidak berakhiran T, huruf basicnya, kata basicnya, maka ed-nya dipantulkan saja. Skilled.
Skilled.
Lidahnya dipantulin ke atas sedikit, skilled.
Skilled.
Iya, seperti itu cara pronunciation-nya. Oke, how about the phrases, Bu? Do you have any difficult phrases here? Ada yang Ibu nggak tahu?
Baru gabung jadi aku belum fokus banget tadi.
Oke.
Masuk tapi keluar lagi karena ada tamu.
Oh, ya, sip.
Baru masuk lagi.
Alright then. Thank you very much, Bu Eni. I will to
Welcome.
other participant. I will go to Bu Desi. Good evening.
Good evening, Miss.
Alright, Bu Desi, I have questions for you ya. Relating By the way, I forgot. Bu Desi, do you have any children?
Yes, I have a son.
Oh, you have a son. So, how do you do about your son's education planning?
I have saving for long term in education,
Mm-mm.
and I have short term also.
Short term also. All right. Do you choose any investment instrument?
Yes,
What do you use?
I choose gold.
Gold. For you plan that gold for what stage of your children of your son's education?
Pardon, Miss?
Wait, I write this. Apa tadi? Do you plan
Do you
the
plan
gold
the gold
for what stage of your nggak muat lagi your child ya education.
do you plan
Apakah
kamu
kamu
berencana
berencana emasnya untuk
untuk
what stage of your children education? I mean that specific stages
of until university?
until university ya.
Yeah.
What
Mm-mm.
grade do you children now?
Grade.
Grade.
Oh, grade.
Uh-uh.
4 grade.
4 grade. All right. So you invest a gold for maybe around 5 years later ya. No.
Yes.
Yeah.
Why-
5 until 8 years.
Yes.
All right. That's really nice ya. Okay then. Do you have any method that same questions with Bu Lia? Do you have any method that to know your children skills or your children interest nowadays?
Yes.
What is it?
She likes swim.
Mm-mm.
Not she, he. He likes swim. And then I
Let him join a swim
yes,
course.
yes, join swim club in
Oh,
every
swim
Sunday.
club every
Mm.
Sunday. All right then. Thank you very much, Bu Desi. And now
Yeah.
let us make clear about this tag. Maybe you will find ya, teman-teman bisa melihat ada beberapa kata yang di sini tuh kayak bersambung-sambung gitu ya. The first one mana tadi ya? I have. Sebentar, ada di manakah dia? Oh, ini. Ya. Di sini we can see there is a while. Apa arti kata while?
Apabila,
Apabila, boleh. Kalau what?
apakah?
Apakah? Ya, kalau what itu apa atau apakah ya? Apa yang mereka enjoy. Terus kalau when?
Kapan?
Kapan? Alright, ada lagi nggak ya di sini? Kayaknya itu dulu ya. Nah, mereka ini kata tanyakah atau kata apa menurut teman-teman?
Conjunction.
Conjunction. Okay. So, if we want to combine two sentences, it should be conjunction ya. But sometimes it's not two sentences. Tapi kadang-kadang mereka itu bukan dua kalimat yang berdiri sendiri gitu loh. Contoh ya. Nih, every child is different. No, some children enjoy science while others like art. Jadi ada dua kata terpisah. Nah, berarti ini bukan bila mana saja. When atau
Ketika.
what. Betul. It can be ketika atau saat ya, atau tadi bila mana. Tapi bila mana itu that's really formal ya. Nah, how about what?
Hmm.
Apa? Tapi dia sebagai conjunction. Ya, parents should watch their children activities and listen to what they enjoy. Tapi what they enjoy tidak bisa berdiri sendiri. Jadi what they enjoy, what this itu bukan sebagai conjunction saja, ya. What this itu tuh kayak penyambung ya, dari parents sampai ke listen to itu adalah induk kalimatnya, sedangkan what they enjoy itu adalah anak kalimatnya, ya. Mereka ini bukan cuman ini aja, tapi kita bisa pakai that untuk menyatakan kata yang, atau kita bisa pakai which untuk menyatakan yang mana. Kita bisa pakai where untuk menyatakan di mana, tapi dia bukan sebagai pertanyaan. Contoh ya, I like the bag. I like the bag which. Aduh. I like the bag which which is really expensive. Nah, ini juga bisa. Selain ini kita bisa pakai who ya. I teach my learners who who are from many cities. Nah, jadi who di sini bisa diartikan dalam bahasa Indonesia itu bukan cuman siapa, tapi bisa juga yang. Ya, mereka ini bisa dikatakan sebagai pronoun, ya. Itu akan kita bahas lebih spesifik lagi setelah ini nanti, ya. Yang ini boleh di screenshot terlebih dahulu everyone. Cekrek. Dan
Ada dulu, Miss.
oke. Itu catatannya di mana-mana. Kalau disalin nanti yang rapi ya.
Ya, siap, Miss.
Alright, I will go down. Kita cek terlebih dahulu. Ada phrasal verb here. I wanna Miss Widya to help me reading this phrasal verb. Kok dia kayak gini teman-teman? Ya. Ya,
Dari yang di blog ya, Miss.
yes.
Save up to keep money.
Oh ya.
Save up to keep money over time for a future purpose. Look into, to examine or try to understand something carefully. Sign up, to join or register for an activity or course. Build up, to develop or increase something slowly. Move forward, to make progress or continue to the next stage.
Alright, itu secara makna penjelasannya. Can you make it simpler into Indonesian? Bisa dibikin lebih simpel nggak ke bahasa Indonesia? Kalau save up apa?
Menyimpan.
Yes.
Masa depan.
Oke, kalau menyimpan untuk masa depan berarti lebih ke
Menabung.
Nabung. Alright. How about look into, everyone? Mengecek, examine, or try to understand something carefully.
Mengecek secara berkala, Miss.
Yes.
Secara berkala.
Mengecek atau lebih ke mengecek detail ya. Apa sih mengecek detail itu kalau dalam bahasa Indonesianya ya?
Bukan mencari ya, Miss?
Kalau mencari look for.
Oh,
Look for itu mencari, look into mengecek, kalau look after menjaga. Kalau look forward melanjutkan. Forward. Tuh. Ya, sign up. What is sign up? Coba Miss Yuli, what is sign up, Miss Yuli? How about Miss Mira? What is Miss Mira? Sign up. Sering kita dengar ya. Oh, ini menyelidiki.
Mendaftar, Miss.
Betul.
Sign up, mendaftar.
Ya, mendaftar. Kata kuncinya adalah register. Register. Next, build up, build up, build up, develop. Tadi Kak Widya agak keseleo dikit kalau pronunciation-nya develop.
develop.
Ya, develop.
Membangun.
Membangun.
Kalau membangun build. Build itu membangun, build up itu develop. Berarti
Mengembangkan.
iya, mengembangkan. Kalau yang mengembang itu badan kita ya.
Melebu.
Aduh, saya pusing ini pipi makin lebar. Next,
Yang
move
penting
for.
sukses.
Bukan, nggak bisa nahan, Bu. Nggak bisa nahan nyemil. Ya, move forward. Ini kata kuncinya, make progress. Move forward sama dengan make progress.
Kemajuan.
Oke, betul.
Bergerak.
Bergerak. Yes. Membuat kemajuan. Tapi dia bahasa ini ya, kata kerja ya, memajukan. Memajukan. Nah, ya, itu dia presisnya. Jadi kalau kita pengen apa ya, go to the next level of English, we need to move. Ya, not using beginner word, but we can use phrasal verb. Nih, sering-sering nanti kita belajar seperti ini. Because I need it too. Saya juga sangat-sangat membutuhkannya. Alright then, boleh di SS. Belum selesai ya guys. Next one. Okay, let's make examples about save up. Bu Erna, please open your mic.
Yes, Miss.
Please help me to make examples of the sentence using the word save up. Save up. Tadi artinya sudah kita bahas, jadi bikin kalimatnya yuk.
I set up in the bank.
I set
Save up money.
up money
In the
Money.
bank.
in the bank karena dia ada a future purpose, jadi harus ditambahkan tujuannya untuk apa? Ya,
For apa ya?
haji. Ya
Ya,
enggak
for
apa-apa loh
haji.
ya, kan gratis
Amin,
ini.
amin,
Amin, amin.
amin. Yes, for haji.
For Hajj ya. Nah,
Amin.
alright ya. Relate
Sama
to
Miss Enda ya.
teman-teman kalau pakai phrasal verb ya. Kenapa kita pakai phrasal verb itu bahasa Inggrisnya jadi naik level? Karena ketika kita menggunakan katanya, kita harus menjadikan sentence-nya itu lebih panjang. Itu penyebabnya ya. Itu dia. Misalnya kayak ini tadi, jadi karena dia ada for future purpose-nya, kita harus ada. Kalau nggak ada ini, maka kita nggak usah pakai save up juga maknanya sama aja. Itu perbedaannya dia dengan save, ya, dengan menyimpan. Kalau hanya save, there is no future purpose, there is no specific purpose to be mentioned. Yang harus disebutkan tuh nggak usah. Ya,
Okay.
alright, thank you Bu Erna.
You're welcome, Miss.
And I will go to Miss Nora. Bu Deka, will you join us? Or just parkir? Oke. Bu Yani, please.
Yes, Miss.
Yeah, help me to make a sentence using look into.
Look into masuk ya.
Look into. Memeriksa dengan teliti.
Make sentence
Yeah, make example using look into.
into.
Misalnya, I
I always
Mm-mm.
I always go to bank to look into my book my
Saving book, buku tabungan.
my saving book.
Oke.
How much money still there?
That's really nice. Okay, wait a moment. I always, oh gini, I will make it simpler ya. I always look into my savings book to make sure the credit saldo ya, kredit guys. The credit still same. Oke, ya. Tuh, kalau pakai ini kan otomatis jadi panjang kalimatnya. Thank you, Bu Yani.
Welcome, Miss.
Next one, Bu Lia, please.
Yes, Miss.
Yuk, pakai sign up, Bu. Please make one sentence.
I'm sign up my children. Les menggambar apa, Miss?
Oke, I'm sign up my children.
My child.
Oh, my child. Oke. To
Drawing course.
drawing
Maybe.
course boleh, drawing
Oh,
class
boleh.
boleh. Drawing class ya.
Yes.
Alright. That's good. Ini kalau mau ditambahin boleh because salah. She or he?
He likes drawing.
Nah, itu dia.
He likes draw atau he likes drawing, Miss?
Drawing because it will be a noun if you use like.
Oh iya.
Kalau kita pakainya like harus noun.
Oh iya,
Jadi harus
Miss.
pakai
I'm forgot.
drawing. Ya. He like drawing so much. Nah, tuh. Ya, boleh di SS dulu contohnya mau saya hapus, masih ada 2 kata. Next one, build up. I wanna, Bu. Yang belum siapa? Yang mau mencoba?
Ya, Miss.
Boleh. Miss Sylvia, build up.
I build up my
Mm-mm.
my speaking by following Miss Endah class.
Salah. My speaking skill. By, kalau setelah by harus diikuti dengan gerund. Jadi by following English class, ya. Alright, good job. That's really nice. Next one, move forward. Who wanna try? Siapa yang mau coba? To make progress.
Boleh, Miss?
Yo, monggo, silahkan. Bu Atik kah? Atau siapa tadi?
You
Bu Wiwi?
move forward. Mhm.
Siapa yang nyeletuk tadi?
Ayo, Miss.
Oh
Bu Mira.
ya, Miss Mira, boleh ya. Move forward.
Ketik.
To make progress.
I move forward ahead with high five goals and AC. Bisa?
Alright. I I will make it more simple ya.
Mm-mm.
I join
No,
2 trainings
no.
to move forward my course program. Nah, program itu maksudnya kan saya bergabung 2 pelatihan untuk memajukan program kursus saya ya. Repeat again Bu Mira.
I join to training
Trainings
to move forward my course
program. My
my
course
course
program.
program.
Iya,
My course
alright,
program.
that's really nice everyone. Okay then, that's all for today. Any questions?
Miss,
Ya,
maaf izin tanya mungkin
boleh.
agak di luar materi.
Mm-mm.
Kalau misalnya ada kurikulum yang menggunakan Cambridge kurikulum, misalnya anaknya nggak ada basic sama sekali, nah itu
Mm-mm.
di junior high school, tapi klaim dari pihak yayasan itu siswa tetap akan bisa efektif dalam waktu 3 bulan tuh overclaim nggak, Miss?
Enggak sebenarnya, tapi tergantung ya. Dia Cambridge-nya itu hanya deliver the material kah atau benar-benar pakai kurikulumnya. Misalnya, karena ada dua tipe. Di SMP mana sih?
Itu apa pondok pesantren, Miss?
Oh, pondok pesantren.
Hmm.
Eh, Sebenarnya kalau kurikulum Cambridge itu semua mapelnya akan berpengaruh, Bu. Bukan hanya di kelasnya diajarkan dalam bahasa Inggris. Nah, itu tadi perbedaannya. Ada sekolah yang mengklaim mereka itu Cambridge hanya karena mereka menyampaikan materi itu dalam bahasa Inggris. semua materi disampaikan dalam bahasa Inggris. Kalau materinya disampaikan dalam bahasa Inggris, artinya daily conversation and also the way teacher teaching, itu mungkin anak masih bisa, sangat bisa sekali. Apalagi situasi pondok pesantren itu hanya 1 bulan pertama mereka masih boleh menggunakan bahasa Indonesia. Selebihnya harus full English misalnya. Itu sangat mungkin sekali. Ya, bahkan saya berani garansi itu akan terjadi. Karena kalau dia hanya daily conversation dan untuk conversation aja gitu, untuk komunikasi. Tapi kalau semuanya itu benar-benar Cambridge kurikulum, mulai dari matematika, IPA, dan bahasa Inggrisnya itu Cambridge, minimal 3 mapel itu Cambridge, saya rasa ada kesulitan. Karena saya pribadi basicnya sudah bahasa Inggris. Terus saya menguasai matematika SD. Ketika ada di GO dulu anak dari international school yang bawa buku Cambridge, dia which is matematika sama IPA, math and also science dan bahasa Inggris, 3 buku itu saya kesulitan untuk ngajarinnya dan saya juga kesulitan memahami kosakata yang ada di sana. Itu stage-nya atau levelnya SD bukan SMP. Jadi bayangin kalau SMP kayaknya saya udah angkat tangan untuk ngajarnya ya. Gitu. Jadi kalau dia harus dipastikan dulu bila perlu ibu minta contoh bukunya. Kalau di sini bilang kan buku yang dipakai itu apa, Pak? Nah, biasanya kalau di Cambridge apa namanya? School atau kurikulum Cambridge, mereka nyebut matematika itu bukan matematika lagi, tapi dia sudah math. Terus kalau IPA-nya science. Dan ini dua-duanya semuanya bahkan bukunya itu dijelaskan dalam bahasa Inggris dan juga model tipe materinya itu dia using conversation. Jadi misalnya menjelaskan tentang lingkaran. Menjelaskan tentang lingkaran. Dia tidak memberikan definisi, dia tidak memberikan pengertian, tapi dia melalui studi kasus penjelasannya. Kayak gitu, itu kalau Cambridge beneran. Jadi kalau biasanya orang tua yang tujuannya ke Cambridge School itu minimal mulainya dari SD. Bahkan mereka biasanya dari TK. Itu sih kalau pandangan aku ya. Tapi ibu boleh research lagi gitu. Kalau anaknya siap dan yang penting anaknya deh kalau menurutku ya memutuskan ya sambil kita mengarahkan.
Tapi kayaknya terlalu berat ya, Miss. Maksudnya gini, itu kan memang ada gini. Jadi kalau yang ada kelas-kelasnya gitu. Oh, yang kelas pertama programnya memakai kurikulum